Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. Of course, your girl is always gonna bring back some hair videos. I love a good silk press, but I hate when it gets oily. Once it gets oily, it's like, ugh, I need a wash day. Today I'm going to show you guys a couple styles that I came up with so that you can live in your silk press just a little bit longer. I will leave all the products that I used, which isn't much because of course this silk press, your hair should be easy to manage, but I will leave my flat iron along with my edge control down below. Make sure to check out that description box. Just keep watching. Make sure to like, comment, and subscribe. Mwah. Love you guys.
I gave it all for fantasy. Is anybody gonna remember me? If I go tonight, I doubt the world will change. I just pray they don't forget my name.
I never thought on me, I like to get it poppin', but these bitches in my business call me out to choosing violence. If you see me out in public, you don't know me, keep it silent. In the metro, might be screaming, but outside I keep it quiet. You know, I'm the lowest, so they lowest. But then you can keep it like nobody knows it. Get the fuck on my space. The basement's on the way, please don't play. Pussy's feeling like a great escape. I need no trick, gold eyes don't change. I'm fucking, I ain't making love no more. You got a new bitch, what the fuck you crying for? I'm moving so it's calling on my favorite. You know how to reach me every time, and it pays you right. Rise up and fly.
See my days are cold without you. And though my heart can't take no more, I keep on running back to you. See my days are cold without you. And though my heart can't take no more, I keep on running back to you, 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 running back to you.
Take off the foo-foo, take off the cloud chase, take off the Wi-Fi, take off the uniform, take off the car loan, take off the flex and the white loss, take off the weird ass jewelry. I'ma take good steps, then I'm taking off top off. Take off the fabricate streams and the microwave memes. It's a real world outside. Take off your idols, take off the runway, take off the Cairo, take off the Sandro, pay 5-day stay, take off for the meal, hella Friday. Take off the fuck flag, take off perception, take off the cop with the iPad, take off the allure, take off the unsure, take off decisions I had. Take off the fake deep, take off the fake woke, take off the I'm broke, I care. Take off the gossip, take off the new logic, that if I'm rich, I'm real. Take off the shit mill, take off the dojo, take off the broken bag. Take all that designer bullshit off, and what do you have?
You ugly as fuck. You out of pocket. 2 ATMs, you stepping to what? You out of pocket. Who you think they talk about? Talk about us. You out of pocket. Who you think they carry out for us? The world in a panic, the women is stranded, the men on the run. The profits are panic, the law take advantage. The market is crashing, the industry wants niggas and bitches to sleep in the box, but they making a mockery following us. This ain't monopoly, watching for love.
Just keep on pushing on
Let's go, that's the high school. And I do, because I do. Give it to you whenever you want, whenever you want. Baby, it is yours. Anywhere, everywhere. Baby, it's your world.
I gave you the keys to my soul. You still don't believe, baby, I
He
know.
said he came from Jamaica, he owned a couple acres, a couple fake visas, cause he never got his papers. Gave up on love, fucking with them heartbreakers, but he was getting money with the movers and the shakers. He was mixed with a couple things, bought like a couple rings, bricks in a condo and grams to sing. Left arm, baby mother tatted, 5-year been up north when they read it. Anyway,
much for watching. These are the styles I came up with so far. I hope this gave you some inspo for your oily silk press. Yeah, if you enjoyed this video, please like, comment, and subscribe, and share with somebody who also has a silk press or loves silk presses. I will see you guys in my next video. So bye.
Run back to you.